Hi future teacher, and welcome to this GACE Elementary Education Practice Test for people who want to become a licensed teacher. This video is proudly presented by teacherpreps.com, the #1 choice for test prep to pass your teacher certification exam. This mini practice test comes from our full-length GACE Elementary Education timed practice test. Make sure you are 100% prepared to ace your GACE teacher certification exam by visiting teacherpreps.com and clicking the blue button in the top right corner labeled Get Test Prep Now to give yourself all the study materials you need to pass on test day. Without further ado, let's start this practice test. Which of the following activities best helps kindergarten students develop phonological awareness? Answer: B. Clapping hands for each syllable in a word. Clapping hands for each syllable helps students recognize and separate syllables in spoken words, enhancing their phonological awareness. During a reading session, a student encounters the word benevolent and uses context clues to infer its meaning. What vocabulary strategy is the student using? Answer: C. Contextual analysis. Contextual analysis involves using surrounding text to deduce the meaning of an unfamiliar word. What is the primary purpose of asking students to retell a story in their own words? Answer: B. To assess their comprehension. Retelling a story in their own words helps teachers gauge how well students understand and remember the text. Which of the following activities is most likely to improve a student's reading fluency? Answer: C. Repeated oral reading of a familiar text. Repeated oral reading helps students read more smoothly and with greater expression, thereby improving fluency. A teacher asks students to brainstorm ideas before they begin writing. Which stage of the writing process does this activity represent? Answer: D. Pre-writing. Brainstorming ideas is part of the pre-writing stage, where students gather and organize their thoughts before drafting. Which of the following sentences contains a grammatical error? Answer: A. She run every morning before school. The correct form is she runs every morning before school, as the verb should agree with the singular subject. Which activity best helps students develop active listening skills during a group discussion? Answer: B. Repeating key points in their own words. Repeating key points in their own words shows that students are actively listening and understanding the discussion. A second-grade teacher uses word families to teach reading. The teacher presents the words cat, bat, hat, and sat. What phonics skill is the teacher primarily focusing on? Answer: D. Analogy-based phonics. Analogy-based phonics involves teaching students to use parts of word families they know to identify words they don't know. During a classroom discussion, a teacher notices that one student frequently interrupts others. What is the most effective strategy the teacher can use to promote active listening skills? Answer: B. Asking the student to summarize what the previous speaker said before responding. Asking the student to summarize promotes active listening by ensuring the student is paying attention to others' contributions before making their own response. Which of the following events marked the beginning of the American Revolution? Answer: C. Battle of Lexington and Concord. The Battle of Lexington and Concord in 1775 was the first military engagement of the American Revolutionary War. What type of map would best help students understand the population density of different regions? Answer: D. Choropleth map. A choropleth map uses different shades or colors to indicate varying population densities in different regions. Which principle of the U.S. Constitution ensures that no single branch of government becomes too powerful? Answer: C. Checks and balances. The system of checks and balances ensures that power is divided among the three branches of government, preventing any one branch from becoming too powerful. Which of the following best describes a mixed economy? Answer: C. An economy with a combination of private and public ownership. A mixed economy features a combination of private and public ownership, blending free market and government control. Which of the following equations represents the commutative property of addition? The correct answer is option B. The commutative property of addition states that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. A rectangular garden measures 8 meters in length and 5 meters in width. What is the area of the garden? Answer C. 40 square meters. The area of a rectangle is found by multiplying the length by the width, which in this case is 8 times 5 equals 40 squared meters. A box contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. What is the probability of randomly selecting a blue ball from the box? Correct answer is letter C, 3/10. And that's because the probability of selecting a blue ball is the number of blue balls divided by the total number of balls, which is 3/10. Which layer of the Earth is composed primarily of liquid iron and nickel? The correct answer here is letter C, outer core, and that's because the Earth's outer core is primarily composed of liquid iron and nickel. Which of the following best explains why we experience different seasons? Answer C. The tilt of the Earth's axis. The tilt of the Earth's axis causes different parts of the Earth to receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year, resulting in different seasons. Which activity primarily helps to develop fine motor skills in young children? The right answer here will be letter C, drawing with crayons. Remember, drawing with crayons helps develop fine motor skills by improving hand-eye coordination and finger dexterity. Pass with confidence with test prep from teacherpreps.com.